Hello dear students, today I am going to explain chapter number 19, that is trigonometrical tables. As we have already discussed about the trigonometrical tables for standard angle, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. We have calculated the trigonometric ratios for the angles 0, 30, 45, 60 degree and 90 degree. But between 0 to 90, from 0 to 90, if any angle provided, then how will calculate the trigonometric ratios? For this we have to learn how to find the trigonometric ratios for any angle from 0 to 90 degree from the table that is provided at the end of your book for natural sine, natural cosine and natural tangent. Okay, from the table you have to see the value and you have to calculate that and you have to solve the problems that will be provided in your exercise or in example. So how to see the table? So what are the characteristics, what are the content of the table, that you have to learn. This table we have already discussed, that you know, but for any angle from 0 to 90 degree, maybe 13 degree, maybe 40 degree, maybe 55 degree, maybe 20 degree 30 minutes, 20 degree 45 minutes, for these angles, how will calculate the trigonometric ratios, that we will learn in this chapter. Okay, so trigonometrical tables, there are three parts in your trigonometrical tables. Okay, so I am showing first of all, as you can see here, that at the extreme left, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 90, that is given. So a column on the extreme left containing degrees from 0 to 90 degree. So in the table at the extreme left, the column is given that is containing the degree from 0 to 90 degree. Okay, after that, second part, 10 columns headed by 0 degree, 6 degree, 12 degree, 18 degree, 24 degree, 0 minute, 6 minute, 12 minute, 18 minute, 24 minutes, 30 minutes, 36 minutes, 42 minutes, 48 minutes and 54 minutes. So 10 columns are there. So these are the 10 columns. These are the 10 columns headed that 0 minute, 6 minutes, 12 minutes, 18 minutes, 24 minutes, 30 minutes, 36 minutes, 42 minutes, 48 minutes, 54 minutes. Okay, and the last 5 columns are there. 5 columns for an increase of 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes and 5 minutes. So at the last, at the rightmost side, mean difference, that is known as mean differences. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes and 5 minutes. So 5 columns are there. So these are the things. These 3 parts are there in the trigonometrical table. So first of all, degree at the leftmost, 0 to 90 degree, and after that 10 columns are there headed by 0 minute, 6 minute, 12 minute, 18 minutes, 24 minutes, 30 minutes, 36 minutes, 42 minutes, 48 minutes and 54 minutes. Here you can see that all these numbers are multiple of 6. Okay, it means you have to find the value. You can see the value on the table, that suppose one angle I am taking, that 20 degree and 18 minute. Okay, so 20 degree and 18 minute. So 20 degree and 18 minutes. So how will calculate? In this table you will see that 20 degree, here it is 20 degree. At the extreme left there is 20 degree, okay, and 18 minute. Here at the top 18 minutes are given. So 18 minutes and 20 degree, where these two columns, this column and this 20 degree row, where they are coinciding, this value we have to take. Okay, but if it is given that 19 degree, 20 degree 19 minutes, sorry 20 degree 19 minutes, then how will calculate? So 20 degree 18 minutes, that I have told already how you have to calculate, and this is 19 minutes, this is 18 minutes plus 1 minute. Okay, so at the last, at the rightmost side, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So 1 minute, this 1 minute you have to add with 20 degree 18 minutes. So this 1 minute you have to add. Suppose this is 20 degree 20 minutes. Then you will write that 18 minutes and 2 minutes. So 18 minutes you can find from here and 2 minutes from here. Okay? And this column, 5 columns are known as mean differences. Okay. And the trigonometric ratios, the value of the trigonometric ratios in your table, that is taken up to 4 decimal places. Okay, so we have to take the values up to 4 decimal places. As you can see that where 0 minutes is there, before the numbers point is there, 0.0175, 0.0349 like this. But at 6 minute columns, 12 minute columns, points are not provided, points are not written there. But you have to assume that there will be point. Before writing the values, you have to write 0 point, then this value. But another thing is there, in mean differences column, see this here 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. These values you have to write in the form of 4 decimal places. Suppose in mean differences for 1 minute it is given 3. For 1 minute it is given 3. But actually this value is equals to 0.0003. You have to write like this. Okay. In minute columns that is already given in 4 decimal places. Okay. But in mean differences there is given only digits, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Suppose here it is given for 5 minutes. I am telling about the natural science table, 5 minutes. For 5 minutes here it is given 15. So this 15 will be written as 0.0015, 4 decimal places. Okay. So this is the characteristic of the table, and you have to see the table in this way. Okay. Let us do some examples that will be more clear how to find the trigonometric ratios from the trigonometric tables. So let us do some problems. Okay. So I am taking the first example from your book. Okay, example 1. Example 1, page number 462. So this is the first example of your book. It is given that sine 53 degree 34 minutes. Sine 53 degree 34 minutes. Okay. We have to find the value of sine 53 degree 34 minutes. This is not standard angle. So you have to see the value of this trigonometric ratios from the trigonometric tables. Okay. But before that, this can be written as sine 53 degree, this 34 minutes. This is not multiple of 6. Remember the second characteristic, the second thing. At leftmost there is degree column. After that 10 columns are there containing 0 minute, 6 minutes, 12 minutes like this. So all these will be multiple of 6, but 34 is not multiple of 6. So you have to write 34 in the form of multiple of 6 plus something. So how we can write 34? So that can be written as 30 minute plus 4 minute. We can write that. Okay. Always keep in mind that this part this part you have to write degree, for degree left, extreme left, from extreme left column you can find the value exactly. But for minute, 10 columns are there which are multiple of 6. So you have to write in the form of multiple of 6 plus something. So 53 degree 34 minutes means 53 degree 30 minutes plus 4 minutes. So we will find separately. Now sine 53 degree 30 minutes. Okay, this value we will see from the table. So see the table first. So natural sine table, we will see the natural sine table 53 degree 30 minutes. Okay, so come to the next page and see the table. 53 degree, 53 degree is here, extreme left column 53 degree and 30 minutes, here it is 30 minutes. Okay, so 53 degree 30 minutes. Okay, this value is 0.8039. see that 53 degree column, sorry, 53 degree row and 30 degree column are coinciding at 8039, and I have told that point is not written here, but you have to take point, that is 0.8039. All these values you have to take in the form of 4 decimal places. So the value is 0.8039. Okay, so 53 degree 30 minutes, this part is calculated, but 4 minutes is left. Okay, so for 4 minutes, what will be the value? Now we have to see the mean differences column. Mean differences column 1, 2, 3, 4. So mean differences column we have to see the 4 minute columns. 4 minute columns. So 53 degree and 4 minute columns means 7. So the value of mean differences for 4 minutes, mean differences for 4 minutes. So 4 minutes is equals to 53 degree and here 4 minutes is 7, and I have told that 7 can be written as 0.0007. In this form you have to write, in the form of 4 decimal places you have to write. Okay, now 53 degree 30 minutes calculated, and for 4 minutes the value of sine at 53 degree, that is 0.007. Now come to this table. See this, for sine at 0 degree, that is 0, 30 degree 1 upon 2, 45 degree 1 upon root 2, 60 degree 1. Okay, as the angle is increasing, the value of the trigonometric ratios, that is sine, that is also increasing. Okay, it means when the angle will increase, the trigonometric ratios, that is sine theta, that will also increase. So sine theta will increase if the angle theta is increasing. Okay, so here this 4 minutes is more than this one, so this 4 minutes is added here, it means the angle is increasing, so this value will be added to this value to get the value of sine 53 degree 34 minutes. So sine 53 degree 34 minutes, that is equals to, this is the value of sine 53 degree 30 minutes, that is 0.8039 plus, and this is the value of mean differences for 4 minutes, this 4 minutes, because here 34 minutes, so 30 degree, up to 53 degree 30 minutes, this is the value, and for 4 minutes the value is 0.0007. So this is equals to 0.648046. So the value of sine 53 degree 34 minutes, that is equals to 0.8046. So in this way you have to calculate this value of sine. For sine, this is the method of calculating the trigonometric ratios for any angle from 0 to 90 degrees. So for 53 degree 34 minutes, you have to write in this form, 53 degree multiple of 6 plus something. Here it is 4 minutes, maybe in some problem there will be 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, up to 5 it is possible. After 5 it will be 6, so 30 plus 6 means 36, that is multiple of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is last mean differences columns that you have to write here. After that, this part you will calculate from the table. Okay. After that, this mean differences is there. So mean differences for 4 minutes, that will you have to see from the table the value of this. Okay. After that, you will finally add this. So this is the method for calculating the values of the trigonometric ratios for any angle from 0 to 90 degree. Okay. For sine theta, for the trigonometric ratios sine, but for cos theta, how will calculate the value? So for this, take the example number 2. Okay. So next example, that is example number 2, on the same page. Cos 49 degree 21 minutes. Cos 49 degree 21 minutes. Okay. That you have to calculate. You have to calculate the value of this one. Okay. So cos 49 degree 21 minutes. I have told that this is, if this is multiple of 6, then nothing to be changed. If it is not multiple of 6, then you have to change. So this can be written as cos 49 degree and 21 minutes. So this can be written as 18 minutes plus 3 minutes. 18 minutes, that is multiple of 6, and plus 3 minutes. Okay. Now this part, you will find the trigonometric ratios for this 49 degree 18 minutes first. After that, we will find the trigonometric ratios for mean differences, that is 3 minutes. Okay. So first of all, cos 49 degree 18 minutes. Okay, that is equals to how much? So in your book, see that at the extreme left in natural cosine, second page, 45 degree, 46 degree, 47 degree, 48 degree, 49 degree. So 49 degree you have to find. 49 degree 18 minutes. So 49 degree is here and 18 minutes means this one. So the value is 0.6521. 0.6521. So 49 degree column and 18 minutes, sorry, 49 degree row and 18 minute column, they are coinciding at this value, that is 0.6521. So the value of cos 49 degree 18 minutes, that is equals to 0.6521. Okay. And what is left? 3 minutes. So mean differences for 3 minutes. For 3 minutes, that is equals to, now mean differences means the last 5 columns you have to see. So 49 degree and last 3 minutes. 3 minutes, here it is given 7. So value of 49 degree 3 minutes, that is given 7. So 7 can be written as 0.007. In this form you have to write, because the mean differences for 3 minutes at 49 degree, that is given 7. So it will be written, it should be written in the form 0.007. But in this case, little bit difference is there. See this, what is the difference? For this, observe this table. So for cos theta, at 0 degree this is 1, 30 degree is root 3 upon 2, 45 degree 1 upon root 2, and 60 degree 1 upon 2, and 90 degree 0. As the angle is increasing, the value of cos theta is decreasing. This is the reverse of sin theta. In case of sin theta, when the value of the angle was increasing, the value of sin theta is also increasing. That's why we have added them. But in this case, cos theta, when the angle is increasing, value of cos theta is decreasing. It means here the value of cos 49 degree 18 minutes, that is equals to 0.6521, and 3 minutes are added with this one. Then it will be 49 degree 21 minutes. So 3 minutes more will be added to 18 minutes, then it will become 21 minutes. So 3 minutes more means 3 minutes are increasing. 3 minutes are increasing means the value of the ratio will decrease, because in this table we can see that when the angle is increasing, value is decreasing, cos theta is decreasing. So when this 3 minutes will be added to this one, this value will be subtracted from this one. Instead of adding, we will subtract. In case of sine, we have added because angle is increasing, ratio is also increasing. But in case of cos theta, when angle is increasing, value of cos theta is decreasing. So this 3 minutes, when you will add with this one, then it will become 49 degree 21 minutes. Then the value will be 0.6521 minus 0.0007, because angle, when angle will increase, value will decrease. So that will be subtracted from this one. Okay. So finally, cos 49 degree 21 minutes, that is equals to 0.6521 minus 0.0007. Okay. So that will be equals to 0.6514. So the value of cos 49 degree 21 minutes, that is equals to 0.6514. Okay. So in case of sine, you will add them, and in case of cos, the mean differences, value of the mean differences will be subtracted, because in case of sine theta, when the angle is increasing, the value is increasing. Okay. That is but in case of cos theta, when the angle is increasing, value is decreasing. So if you add the angles, you have to subtract the value of the ratio. So these angles are added, then it will become 21 minutes. So that's why from this value we have subtracted this one. This one is added here, angle is added here. So the value of the ratio will be subtracted, because when in case of cos theta, when angle will increase, the value will be decreased. Okay. Now last ratio that is left, that is tan theta. For tan theta, how we will calculate this? For this, take example number 3 on the next page. So that is on page number 463. Okay. Here it is given that find the value of tan 65 degree 41 minutes. Tan 65 degree 41 minutes. Okay. For tan theta, same as it is for sin theta. The method will be same as sin theta. Okay. So how you will calculate that tan theta? First of all, you have to see that this is multiple of 6 or not. This is not multiple of 6. So you have to write this one as multiple of 6 plus something. Okay. So that can be written as tan 65 degree, and this is 36 minutes plus 5 minutes, because 36 plus 5, that is equals to 41. So now 36 is multiple of 6. Okay. So first of all, tan 65 degree 36 minutes, that will be calculated from the table. That this value is provided in the table. So see the table first. Okay. So at the left, extreme left, you have to see 65 degree. So 65 degree is here. 65 degree is here at the extreme left of natural tangent. Okay. So 65 degree and 36 minutes. So 36 minutes means this column. Okay. So 65 degree and 36 minutes, the value is 0.2045. 0.2045. 0.2045. Okay. Now what is left? This 5 minutes. That is mean differences. Mean differences for 5 minutes, that you have to calculate. So mean differences for 5 minutes. That is equals to, now see the mean differences column. So 65 degree 5 minutes, that is given 85. 65 degree 5 minutes, that is given 85. So 85 will be written as 0.0085. 4 decimal places, up to 4 decimal places you have to take, okay, in the form of 4 decimal places you have to write. 85 is given, so it will be written as 0.0085. Now see this table. In tan theta, when 0 degree then 0, 30 degree 1 upon root 3, 45 degree 1, 60 degree root 3 and 90 degree not defined, okay. So when the value of the angle is increasing, the value of tan theta 732. So when the value of the angle is increasing, the trigonometric ratio, that is tan theta, is also increasing. So when the angle will be added, this will be added to this one, then it will become 41 minutes. So angle will be added, then angle will be increased, then the trigonometric ratios also increase. So we have to add these two. Same like sin theta. So finally, tan theta, that is equal, theta means here 65 degree and 41 minutes. So that is equals to 0.2045 plus 0.0085. So if you add this, what you will get? 0 0.2130. Yes, 0.21. So the value of tan 65 degree 41 minutes, that is equals to 0.2045 plus 0.0085, that is equals to 0.2130. Okay, so tan 65 degree 36 minutes equals to this one. This 65 minutes extra, that will be added to 36 minutes. Okay, then it will become 41 minutes. So in case of tan theta, when the value of the angle is increasing, the value of the ratio is also increasing. It means when 5 minutes will be added to this one, the angle will be increased. So the value will be increased means that these two values will be added together, then finally it will be 0.2130. Okay, as you have seen that in case of tan theta and sin theta, when the value of the angle is increasing, that value of the trigonometric ratio is also increasing. So in these two cases, when you will add this value tan 65 degree 36 minutes and the mean differences and the angle trigonometric ratios at that angle, that is multiple of 6, that will be added together. But in case of cos theta, the mean differences will be subtracted, because when the angle will be increased, then the cos theta will be decreased. That's why mean difference will be subtracted from the value at the angle that is multiple of 6. Okay. So this is the direct method when the angle will be provided and you have to find the trigonometric ratios. But if the trigonometric ratios is provided, then how we have to calculate the angle. For example, sin theta equals to 1 implies that, suppose in case it is told that find the value of theta, then how will calculate? Sin theta, that is equals to 1. 1 is the value of sin 90 degree. So this is equals to sin 90 degree. On comparing both sides, theta equals to 90 degree. So we can calculate the theta. If in case of 65 degree 41 minutes, it is given that tan theta is equals to 0.2130. Then how we will calculate theta? Okay. So this topic I will discuss in next class. Till then, thank you.